Hounded by the army and pushed from their traditional lands, the Apaches hid out in the high mountains of northern Arizona and scratched out a meager existence. And naturally distrusted us whites. My brother's cold and angry dispositions didn't help any. Ray didn't like the way the young braves looked at Marissa. He was restless and on edge, and I was afraid that at any moment he might blow. I wanted to go before there was bloodshed, but seeing farther wanted to speak to us alone. About what, I wasn't sure, but I suspected that none of it would come to any good.
I know why you're here, and what you want. The medallion. I can help you.
Why would you want to help us get the medallion?
My father wants to use it to buy weapons for a war against the White Eyes. What will the fate of our people be if he succeeds? The Apache will be no more.
So you just gonna go fetch it for us?
No, but I will show you where it is.
You don't have the medallion here?
The medallion is cursed. As I have told you before, our ancestors took it from a Mexican priest in return for his life. Soon after, a great sickness ravaged our village. Many died. One of the survivors traded it to the Navajo for food, and the Navajo too were ravaged by sickness. Their medicine man saw that the medallion had dark power. He drowned it in a lake high in the mountains. His people guard it to this day.
So, Running River was trading a medallion he didn't even have?
He intended to show you its resting place. He hoped it would bring bad medicine to you as well.
And in the process, bring hell down on the Navajo?
We are sworn enemies.
Well, that's pretty cagey. 2 dead enemies for the price of 1.
How do we know you're not sending us to die in those mountains, too?
Because I am going with you. For without my help, you would not find it.
Partner, I hope you're not bullshitting us. Because if this is some lying Apache trick, it'll be the last one you ever pull. I hate boats. I hate water.
Would you stop your whining? Jesus. The fact you hate water's pretty damn obvious. You smell like the inside of an old boot.
Like you smell any better.
You both smell bad. Your stink almost covered up the smoke.
Smoke? Where?
Here. Everywhere. We're in Navajo territory. The village has to be close.
You didn't say nothing? What were you waiting for? An arrow in the back?
The Navajo have mainly rifles now.
What?
If the village is close, we will see some lookouts. Watch the shore. Here they are, on the left-hand side. Do not let anyone get away or they will tell the village we are here.
Here they are! Kill them all!
Damn, brother, save some for me.
It ain't my fault you're so damn slow.
Is that all of them?
That's all, I guess.
Tell me, Chief. So that medallion's on the bottom of the lake?
Yes. Somewhere high in the mountains.
Oh, great.
So why are we going to the village?
We go where the spirit of the Gray Coyote leads us.
Spirit of the what?
There.
Well, son of a bitch.
Are you telling me that we are being led by a damn dog?
The Gray Coyote. The spirit of my great-grandfather, who sold the medallion to the Navajo. He wants us to go through the village. This way. Now keep quiet.
Let's go. Nice and quiet. Keep close.
Come and look. Only a few are awake. Maybe we can slip through without being seen.
Your furry grandpa tell you that?
You hear that? It's coming from the mountains. We have to take the path of the dead.
Okay, but I don't like the sound of that.
It's where the Navajo lay their dead to rest. We'll go through the burial ground, but we must stay silent so as not to awaken any dark spirits. Follow me.
Oh, you scared of ghosts, brother?
I'm more worried about the live ones. It's too damn quiet.
Wait here.
Watch out. Oh, they spotted us.
Hurry! We must get to the path of the dead!
Where the hell did they all come from?
Let's move.
These son of bitches just keep coming.
We have to stop them or they will see where we're headed!
See those rocks, right? Maybe you can drop a couple on their heads.
Cover me.
Now!
Go! Go! Go!
Woo-ha!
That should hold them for a while.
Go up!
Let's make those yellow bellies sorry they were ever born. Come on!
Let's unload some lead on these peckerheads.
From the front! What can learn, brother? Take cover. Up above! All that practice. Surprised my nutsack is still intact after that.
Bastards broke the bridge.
What now, Chief? Where'd your grandpa go? Chase down a squirrel?
The gray coyote showed us the lake and the dam. He's telling us something.
Telling us what?
We must discover his meaning.
Right. In the meantime, let's find another way.
Let us get closer to the dam. We can go by way of the riverbed.
Lead the way.
The dam, the river. He's telling us something.
Yeah. Too bad I don't speak Coyote.
There's always something.
Well, this tree's barely standing. We'll push it over and make ourselves a bridge. Come on, give me a hand. Nice job pitching in there, brother. As usual.
What?
Well, come on. You let me do all the pushing.
Well, hell, you're the one with the muscles.
It's too damn quiet. From the front! Behind those rocks. An ambush, please. Let's move. Well, what the hell now? You expect me to climb this?
We'll go around this way. This trail leads to the lake.
Is that a campfire?
Smoke signals. They are warning the other villages. We must hurry before more come.
This way. Thanks.
Don't mention it.
Let's go. That bastard's flying.
Hurry! To the lake!
Well, I guess that's that.
This is the place where the Navajo drowned the medallion. We must swim down to the bottom and find it.
Oh, you're kidding me, right? Whose idea is this? Your grandma, the horny toad? I'll tell you right now, there's no way in hell.
How we even gonna find it?
Grey Coyote showed us to the lake and the dam.
Damn.
Damn! Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Let's just blow this sumbitch.
If that medallion's down there, we'll find it.
Hurry! The Navajo are coming!
Let's go. This way. Pretty damn clear.
No, there is more.
You see the shacks? Just like the ones at Devlin's camp.
So what?
Which means that the Navajo didn't build this dam. Not alone, anyway.
How about you stop your jawing and blow up the damn dam?
Go, go! Look!
The sacred place of the Navajo. That is where the medallion is.
Let's get what we came here for.
Why aren't they attacking?
Well, get ready, brother.
This is a sacred place. They will not shed blood here.
Well, hell, if they won't, we will.
I'll take it. Out of the way.
Stop, Thomas.
Navajo!
Oh, for Christ's sake, let him have it. Help me the hell out of here.
Hurry up, boy!
I have the medallion. Get to the boat.
Oh, shit, it's a little too soon for me to be taking another bath.
Only through the dam can we escape. This is what the Great Coyote was trying to tell us.
There's no other way, right? Come on!
Watch out! At 12.
Hold on!
Drown here, goddammit! Left, turn left! What? It's over? We're still alive?
And clean as a whistle.
They can shoot at me. They can set my damn ass on fire. But I fucking hate water.
Well, boy, we owe your great-granddaddy a big debt of gratitude. Boy?
Great-grandfather doesn't want your gratitude. You are like two mad wolves. You've insulted the ancestors of the Navajo and have violated their sacred place. For that, you will surely be punished.
So this is what's gonna lead us to the treasure?
Hand it over.
Why do you get it?
You two are not worthy. Your brothers will kill each other over this. It is you who should hold it. I will teach the young shaman its secret. Without his help, you will never find the treasure.
What about the woman? We're not leaving without her.
I'll lead the woman out, but you must capture the attention of the braves guarding her.
Wait, how do we do that?
People will always watch a fight.
A fight?
Why not? You're both here for the woman. A fight will determine who is the strongest, the most deserving of her affection.
What the hell did he mean by that?
The object everyone's been after, the very thing that caused so much pain and bloodshed, is now in my hands. Seeing farther told me its secret, and now I too carry the burden. It hangs from my neck like a millstone, and Ray gazes at it as lustfully as he does Marissa. Maybe it is better I hold it, otherwise my brothers would kill each other to possess it. I pray to the Almighty for our safe passage from this dangerous place. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil, for thou art with me.
What did he mean by we're both here for the woman? I asked you a question.
Don't push me, Ray.
That girl's mine.
Yeah? Well, what if she don't want you?
She told me she did.
'Cause she was hoping you'd kill Juarez. She'd say anything to be rid of him.
You have a way with women, Thomas. No doubt about it. But not this time. This time, I'm the one who gets the girl.
Who you think told me about Juarez's scheme? About them guns? Jesus Christ, open your eyes, Ray. You can't see the forest for the trees.
How long has this been going on?
Since the beginning.
Why are you doing this to me, brother?
It ain't about you, Ray. It's about me, and it's about Marissa.
What the hell? What's going on? Who the hell's that?
Barnsby. Hide!
They're coming from the front!
It's gonna blow!
Burn in hell, you son!
Fight, goddammit! Don't let him get around us!
Son of a...
go, get on! We got some company on the way!
Look out!
Thomas! This, you son of a bitches! Thomas! You're alive! Come on, move! Damn it! Let's get the hell out of here! Come on, move before they cut us down! They're reloading their field pieces! Up the hill! Come on, let's go! Thomas! Oh, shit! Watch out!
Go, go, go!
Cover me! Thomas, come here! Thomas! Okay, we'll stop him here. Find a good spot. Come on, you bastards! Come and get some, you peckerheads! We're no good here.
Let's see how long it takes.
Too many of them.
Listen.
I don't have time to fight about this. They're gonna shoot us like sitting ducks here.
They'll pass you too. Once we take out those cannons.
I don't have that much TNT. But I got enough to push some rocks down the hill.
Well, you and me, brother, just like old times.
I'm only doing this for them. Let's go.
Keep close! Go, go, go! Hurry! This one. Look out! I'll blow that rock loose. That should do it. Just cover me. Rock loose. That should do it. Just cover me.
Don't worry. Shit!
Connor! Where did you decide to take a damn nap? Show you. Say adios, amigo.
Don't stop him.
Not for long.
What are they waiting for?
Chief, my name is Bonsby, Colonel in the 2nd Corps of the Army of Northern Virginia. I'm here for that medallion, and I will offer you a fair exchange. Hand it over right now, and I will give you back something that you hold dearly.
Son of a bitch. He's got your son.
I am already dead, Father. Do not talk to them.
You hand over that medallion or he will die. Right here, right now.
Panagunsi, yanishtishtinda, innana ba'anne, sinlera. Seeing father is Apache. He will face death bravely.
Look around you. Your village is gone. Your people are dead. Are you willing to sacrifice your last male heir? You ready to let your line, your tribe, your people die out?
Let him go! Hausa! Let him go, and Running River will get you the medallion.
No, Chief. I want it in my hands. Then I let him go. Understand?
Running River understands.
Good. I'll be waiting in the Ghost Settlement. You surely know where that is. You have until sundown tomorrow, or your son dies.
That medallion ain't where you think it is, Chief.
What do you know of it? Where else would it be? Who would dare take it?
Your son?